I discovered photography by accident. I found that the camera was a good tool for me to be creative, to translate kind of my ideas to something real. When I have my printed pieces, people always doubt, is it a painting or is it a photo? I think everybody could get this painterly look. It's really important to look at every little detail, even the details no one will ever notice. The secret is being so dedicated to the thing you want to make. For this tutorial, we created 2 different images. The darker one is a portrait of a girl holding his flamingo. It's a composite. Throws you back in the 18th century golden age feeling. As a contrast to that, we also created a more lighter image. We composited a backdrop from at least 6 or 7 original paintings. We used that as an element in the story. We made a composite of 4 characters played by only one girl. We made tiny changes in her hair, in her dress, just to give the girl another character, so it's conceptual. I think it's a good example to show how my process evolves to the final image. I'm not as technical as other photographers. I'm more in creating the image than doing it by a book. So I do hope that with this tutorial I can show you how to make an image that's yours and not an image that's made by rules or made by anything in a fixed way.